Before you leave this mountain, the person holding the key to your restoration will remember you. Somebody that God has used you to help, to bless, that has forgotten you will remember you.